Well, hey! Fish right there! They're right here, look at him! Look! Hey! Hi! Look, what are you? Look, they're right here!
That was awesome.
I'm at the boat today by myself. Juanita couldn't come along. I'm here to work on our new chart plotter. Yay! Have no idea how this will go or how long this is going to take. Who knows? We'll see. I'm going to get this started. I have to crawl back in the garage, as we call it, the aft bedroom, and pull everything out and take off the panels and start looking at wires. I'll show you like in steps once the panels are off, and we'll go from there. Howdy, howdy. All right. I took everything out of the garage, as we call it, aft bedroom. I'm looking for an NMEA, I hope I say that correctly, system for our new GPS and chart plotter and all that wonderful stuff. I wasn't sure. Everything seems to coincide with each other, but I didn't know whether we have this system or not. So I pull everything out, and we have this, which kind of looks like maybe an older version of it.
We interrupt this week's episode for a special announcement. Over to you, Mike.
Thank you, Juanita. How would you like to have a special edition Anchors Away Sailing Hat? Or Anchors Away Sailing Hat? If you'd like one, go to our Patreon page, Patreon/Anchors Away Sailing, and join our Patreon page, and you could have one of these hats, or two, or maybe you don't want a hat. Maybe you would rather have a special edition, limited edition, Anchors Away Sailing t-shirt while they last. Have different colors, different sizes. They're limited edition. Get yours today by going again to Patreon/Anchors Away Sailing. And we may be seeing you out on the water with one of these or with one of these. Until next time.
Thank you, Mike. Now back to our regularly scheduled episode.
The one with the yellow right there runs up underneath here and goes back here, and the one right next to it here, the white one, this black and white wire, comes around and goes right up there. So I think that's the system. Now I gotta find out, I gotta take it out from up there, and we shall see. Maybe I get lucky. It looks promising, or at least maybe easier to upgrade. Not quite sure right yet. We'll find out. Check this out. That wire right there, my friends, is the wire that I was pulling on that runs from that system all the way up here. That's it. I think we may be in luck. That makes me kind of happy. After 2 trips to the store, figuring out what I need. This is where I'm at. I have 1 wire ran. Now I have to run this wire. But I have 1 done. 1 more to go. It's been all day working on this, trying to get these wires done. And let's see if it works. See if I have power. Looks like I have power. Oh my Lord. Wow. I did it. I have a long ways to go, but it seems to be working. We'll see how the setup goes. Well, it's taken me all day long to run 2 wires, but I've ran the 2 wires. Show you what it looks like right now. I just have it sitting here. It does work. It does power on. So now I just gotta put it all back together, and then from that point figure out where that's gonna go, and then kind of complete the setup. Super pleased that at least I was able to do it all that far. So it's looking really good. Down below, I've got a bunch of wires and a lot of cleanup and stuff like that. But wow, I'm happy. It's thrilling to get all that done. Got everything all wired up. Got it all zip tied. So now I got to put it all these panels back, and then I got to go top side and do it all up top side. So that's where we're at. We're getting it done.